get married like the Curry.
Steph and Aisha.
We more.
Tag. What is my full name? Oh, you literally.
Alicia Marie. Alicia Rose.
Yeah,
That's
idiot. Did I ever have chicken pox?
I don't think so.
When and where did we meet?
We weren't friends.
Study
and
hall.
Yeah, we had the same study hall, and then we played cards.
Chocolate, but that's
That's a freckle.
a freckle.
That's a freckle. They were just like shaking, like swaying the dog.
It's gonna happen again.
Gross. Lick it up!
No!
She just threw up. It's fine. I'm not giving her a drink of my water.
We're done.
I thought it was like a wad of blood, and I was like, out there.
Story time.
We were at a grad party. I'd like insert the clip of you falling back. She was in a chair, and she just
No
like
one
got
yanked me.
snatched.
I
Oh,
did
you got
myself.
yeah, you fell. She put herself in a coma, and then we were playing manhunt, and she like eats the ground and like on the pavement, and she hits her knee, and she rips up her knee. She doesn't hit her head. You go to the hospital. I braid your hair before you leave.
False. I broke my leg. While I was sitting waiting for my mother to come pick me up, my leg was dangling. My leg
was dangling. My leg was dangling.
This brain is so hard. My brain was being ripped out by my hair follicles. So then, 4 days later, I was just chilling at home. My parents come out and they're shaking me. And they're shaking me. Well, I remember them shaking me, and I remember them saying, "We're calling the police." They actually said ambulance.
I am the ambulance. The ambulance.
Ambulance. I went to a hospital where I was delivered out of my mother's womb. He's really liking that song.
He's like 50. This is Familiar by Zayn Malik. No copyright!
I was at the hospital, and then they're like, "Are you coughing up any blood?" And I was like, "No."
Fast forward 30 seconds.
I am spewing
Spewing.
blood out of my throat. I don't recall anything after this, but then I'm going to a hospital that's 2 hours away, and then I wake up 2 weeks later and they tell me I died.
I was at work and your mom texted me and we were in a group chat and she's like, Alicia's in a coma. So we asked your mom and she's like, she can't have visitors. And I literally...
My soul left. Like, I saw it leave my body.
Were you like dead in the ambulance?
Yes. And then I ripped my tube out of my throat.
Insert the picture of your eyes. When you woke up, you're like...
That's the story.
He was like trying to pipe it up. He was like, hey!
Hey! Hey! I lost my phone. Do I like ketchup, mustard, or both?
You like ketchup.
Yeah. How much do I weigh? 500 pounds.
If we were both placed on a seesaw, I think we would break it.
Placed? We were placed on a seesaw?
There was a spider right here yesterday when I was driving home from work and it jumped up.
Literally, there was a spider the other day and like, what?
Ah!
No, pomegranate! Chocolate vanilla swirl, quick crunch, please. What was I looking up?
Pomegranate.
Yes. Pomegranate. I just looked up. No. Pomegranate.
Ah! What happened?
Say it. Say it. No pomegranate.
Ass!
Yeah.
Ass!
No.
Don't.
It's chicken scratch. Chicken scratch. Actually, that was good. I was thinking it was gonna be bad. Let me just tell
These are
you.
crooked.
I don't know your name, but when it's Christmas, so it's time when you really try to go on your name.
But you heard my name, my main chick, my main chick.
Why you gotta be my? Yes, I do.
No.
Come on, baby, do the locomotion.
They're definitely stick.
Okay.
Dollar bills, where's my pen? I like texts from my exes
When they want a second chance,
I do what they say. Mommy
had to mouth.
Cardi B.
I run like cardio.
Said I like it like that.
Oh, he's so handsome. What's his name?
Colombo a mí me la regalan.